Hello everyone, in this video we are going to prove that triangles are congruent. Now in a previous video we identified corresponding parts and corresponding angles. So one way to prove that the triangles we're dealing with are congruent would be to measure all the angles and all the sides. If the measures of the corresponding angles and sides are equal, then the triangles are congruent. But here I'm going to show you 3 quicker methods to prove that the triangles are congruent. The first one is called angle side angle, and it states the following. If 2 angles and the side between them on one triangle measure the same as the corresponding parts on another triangle, then the angles are congruent. For instance here, if the measure of angle 1 is the same as the measure of angle 3, and the measure of angle 2 equals the measurement of angle 4, and if side length A equals side length X, then the 2 triangles are congruent by angle side angle. Here's another one. This is known as side side side. If 3 sides of one triangle measure the same as the corresponding sides of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. In this case, if side length A equals side length X and side length B equals side length Y, and if side length C equals side length Z, then the 2 triangles are congruent by side side side. One more. This one is known as angle, or rather side angle side. If 2 sides and the angle between them on one triangle measure the same as the corresponding parts on another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. For instance here, if side length A equals side length X, and angle 1 equals angle 2, and if angle B equals angle Y, then the 2 triangles are congruent by side angle side. Now all 3 of these techniques that I just mentioned, these are just ideas. Here we're just introducing them and showing you what they look like. In geometry, which we'll do videos on that once we get to there, in geometry we will use these to prove triangles are congruent, and we'll do so with these ideas, whether it's side side side, side angle side, or angle side angle. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.